Hello, children. Welcome back in your science lesson, right? Remember me? Who am I? My name is Shaista. We met in the literacy class. Yes, we had an introduction in literacy period. I introduced myself. You people introduced yourselves, right? Yes. Okay. So now let's get ready for your literacy lesson, for your science lesson. Now let's play a game. Do you all like games? Yes? Great, good job. Now see, my game is I'm going to tell my favorite animal, the name of my favorite animal. And you people are going to tell any one animal which is your favorite. Alright? Now starting from me. My favorite animal is a rabbit. Which is your animal, Alia? A cat. Very good, Neha. Yes? What do you like? Elephant. Very good. Okay, Ali, which is your favorite animal? A lion. Wow, great. Lion is your favorite animal. That's cool. Very good. Now, when we are talking about animals, now can you see my animals on the board? Yes. Which animal is this? It's a bird. Which animal is this? It's a panda. And which animal is this one? It's a frog. And which is this tiny animal? It's a ladybird, right? Now, out of these animals, this animal is a bird, this is an animal, this is a reptile, and this is an insect. Yes? Now, when we are talking about these animals, different types of animals, right? You have seen bird, you have seen insect, you have seen a reptile. What comes into your mind is who has given us all these information, right? Information about these animals. Who has given us? Allah has created these animals. Allah has created everything which is there on the earth. He has created us. He has created the human beings. He has created the animals. He has created the plants, right? He has created day, night, sun, moon. Everything on the earth is created by God, is created by Almighty Allah. But who has given us this information? Information about animals, information about human beings. Who has given us? We know that these are animals, right? We know that we are human beings, right? We know that this is a pencil, right? We know that this is a comb. How do we know that? This information is given to us by science. Who has given us this information? Science. See, your subject science, why you are studying science. Science tells you everything. It gives you information about humans, it gives you information about animals, it gives information about the environment, about nature, everything. Because what science do, it tells, it dig into it, it find out the facts, right? It find out how, when, and where this thing happened. Okay? They find out, they observe everything, and they give us knowledge. They give us more knowledge about different things. They gives us more information about different things. And who are they? Who are the ones who gives us these information? We call them scientists. They are the scientists. Scientists are the people who find out, who look into the who look into the into detail, who look into the detail about different things, details about animals, details about plants, details about nature. They find, they dig into it. Okay, they observe them, they find out how this thing happened, when this thing happened, and who has done this. So how, when, what, everything is taught to us by the scientist. And this is all because of our subject science that gives us information. So this is our main topic. The first unit, which we are going to study, is about science. What is science? Science is the knowledge. It tells us about the different facts. It gives us information about different facts, right? And the scientists are the people. who find out, who look into the information, who find out how, when, what happened. Do you understand? Yes? Okay. Now let's watch a video. And this video is of our Edward School video. Our school people have made all these videos. Okay, these are there are very interesting videos on different topics. It could be on animals, it could be your Urdu topic, it can be on your literacy topic, your social studies topic, arts topic. There are hundreds of videos. Go on the website and watch those videos, subscribe those videos, like those videos so that it's going to be safe for you. So that later on, if you want to watch them, you can easily watch those videos. Okay? All right, children. So let's see what do you have in this video. Do watch the videos very carefully. Okay? And listen to it with your ears, watch it with your eyes. I'm going to ask you questions about that video, okay? There you go. 1, 2, and 3. Can you all see my screen, children? Yes? Great. Now let's watch it.
Hey, let's learn about science. Science in the universe. Science of the planets. The stars. Let's learn about science. Let's learn about the body parts. Let's learn about human organs. Let's learn about animals. Let's learn about science. Let's learn what animals eat, what animals do. Let's learn about plants, the birds, the weather. Let's learn about science.
All right. So this was all what you have seen in the video was about science, right? You were telling us about science, that what is science. It tells you about plants, it tells you about animals, it tells you about human body. How does the human body work? How many parts are there inside your body? How many bones are there, right? And it tells you about nature. What is nature? What is sun? What is moon? What is day? What is night? What are the seasons? Everything which you know is all because science tells you. The scientists, they gives you this information. These scientists, they study, they do experiments, they find out so that they will tell us who that how day and night forms, what happens in the morning, what happens in the evening, what happens at night, right? It tells you about the different seasons, how many seasons are there, what happens in autumn, what happens to the plants, what happens to the leaves, right? It tells you about the stars, about the solar system, that you have this solar system, how many planets are there, what is Earth, what are the different names of the planets. So all these information is given to us by science. And who gives us this information? Who dig into it? Who finds out the information? The scientist, right? The scientists are are the persons who find out about these information, who dig into it. But who has created them? Who is the creator? Allah is the creator. Allah has created everything. So whatever we are studying in science, that is all creation of Allah. And who has given us that information? Scientists have given us. So that means, children, studying science as a subject is very important, right? Because it gives you information. It tells you different things. It tells you different things about all different creatures which are in this world. It gives you information about animals, about humans. And who are animals and humans? We are living things. Why? Because we can breathe, we can eat, yes, we can move, We can have babies, right? So that's why we are living things. We can breathe, right? So who are living things? Humans are living things. Animals are living things. What about plants? Are they living things? Yes, although plants, they don't move, but they do grow. Yes, they grow. They need water, air, sunlight to have more plants, to have more leaves, right? So plants are living things. What about your board? Is this board a living thing? No, it's a non-living thing, right? Now, what about your laptops on which you are taking this class? Is your laptop a living thing? No, it's not a living thing. Now, what about this in your science book? Is it a living thing? No, it cannot breathe, it cannot move, it cannot eat. It's a non-living thing. So, who has given you this information about these non-living things? There must be someone. Yes, there are the scientists. There are these scientists who has given us information about all the living things, all the non-living things, all the environment around you. Your environment, your school, everything is given to you through this subject science, right? Now comes the time for you to do the class task. And what is that? I want you to draw uh, two living things which can breathe, which can eat, which can move, and two non-living things in your notebooks, and do write down the names of those things. All right. I am giving you 10 minutes time since it's the first day. You might take long in writing the date, in writing your name and everything. So for 10 minutes I'm giving you, but you have to follow the class rules, right? You have to follow your teacher's instructions. And my instructions are that you have to draw two pictures of living things, two pictures of non-living things, write their names, and you have to finish this task in how much time? 10 minutes, right? And as soon as I say start, you will start your work. And as soon as I'll say stop, you're going to stop your work. Okay, let's go. Start. Time is up. Stop. Have you drawn? Okay. I want you to show me your work. Show me. Wow, that's great. Wow, you have drawn such a cute elephant. Very nice. Very good. Good job today. I'm so happy for you all. That means the concept of living things, the concept of non-living things is clear to you, and the concept of subject science, that what does science teaches us. And who are the people who gives us information? They are called the scientist. Is very, very clear to you. Yes or no? That's great. Now tell me, give a name or two names of non-living things which are not living. A table, very good. A marker, very good. Your laptop, very good. Your book, very good. Okay, your house is also not a living thing. It's a non-living thing, right? Okay. Now give me two names which are living things. Plants, very good. Animals, very good. Human beings, very good. So that means all this information is given to us by whom? By science, and the persons who have given us this information are called scientists. Yes, very good job. I hope you must have enjoyed the lesson and the video. Do watch those videos which are of Edworld videos, right? And do your homework. I'll be posting your homework on portal. Do that, and if there is any problem, leave that work. We'll discuss in the next class. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.